Good morning, children. Welcome back to maths session. I hope you all enjoyed your holidays like anything. Yes, you all enjoy like anything. I know that because lockdown has lifted. Yes, so that's what you enjoy like anything. Now, coming to our topic today, that is maths topic. What I am going to launch today. That I am not going to say today. Tomorrow by yourself you can tell me which chapter we are going to introduce. Okay, that means I am going to introduce. So today I will give you one task, children. Okay, if you fill that the task what I am giving, the details I am going to give you on the board now. So you just go through that and send the details which I am going to ask. That means what I am giving to you today. What I am giving you task. The task you send through your WhatsApp to me. Okay, just I will see how you enjoyed your holidays and everything. It is not simply enjoying. This is just it is related to our topic. Okay, this is completely related to our topic. Okay. Just example I am giving you. Here, they are suppose just 9 days holidays are given. How many days? 9 days holidays are given. Just an example. Okay. So in these 9 days, okay, in these holidays, out of 9 days, if you spend all 9 days out of station, or you are there at home, or you went to your anywhere, wherever you go, means how you spend this 9 days, no problem. But I am giving you two different types of tasks. Okay, see that how it is going to be the task. Suppose the day 1. Okay, the day 1 when we are given the holidays to you all. Day 1, how much time you have spent for TV? Okay, how much time? Just you prepare one column, serial number 1. Okay, time spent on TV. Okay, that means time spent for TV. Time spent for what? Enjoyment. Okay, time spent for enjoyment and time spent for studies. Okay, I think this is wrong question, right? No, it's correct question, right? So time spent on TV, time spent on enjoyment, time spent on studies. Okay, so prepare one table like this. Okay, day 1, suppose Saturday. Okay, day 1 Saturday. Day, date, no need to write here, otherwise serial number, day, otherwise write here, day 1, first day. How much time you have spent on TV? Time spent for enjoyment, time spent for studies. Okay, so like that you just up to write the 9 days schedule. Okay, the 9 days schedule, you just prepare one table and send through your WhatsApp number. Okay, and send to me. Okay, is it clear? Next, coming to another task, that is, suppose you have visited the other station, that means out of station. Okay, how many days you spent? If 9 days, 9 days, 4 days, 4 days, 2 days, 2 days, no problem. Okay, not a matter at all. But by this, what you are going to learn, I am going to tell you tomorrow. Okay, understood? What you have learned by this experience, I am going to tell you tomorrow, because I have to see the details which you are going to send. Okay, see here, the second task is, suppose you have visited other station, like out of station, if you went to like your grandmother's house, or just for enjoyment, or some like tour for 9 days or 5 days or 6 days, whatever it may be. Suppose if you enjoyed for 3 days or 9 days or whatever it may be. Day 1. And here 2 more important things you have to remember. Okay, some may be went through car, okay, some may went through airplane, some may went through bus, some may went through train. Okay, traveling is different. But here first I am going to give you the task, the children who traveled by car, the children who traveled by car. Okay, the children who traveled by car I am giving you. Just keep a heading like this, travel by car. Amount spent for petrol. Amount spent for petrol. Amount spent for petrol. Amount spent for clothing. Okay. Next, third column. Amount spent for food. Amount spent for food. And the last column is miscellaneous. That means, miscellaneous means, like cinema or some beach, some other, like some extra, water other than this. Petrol, clothing, and amount spent for food. Other than this, what you have spent, that is called, comes under miscellaneous. So, in this 9 days, if you travel like this, you can prepare one table like this. If not, how many days you have spent, like 3 days or 4 days or 5 days or 1 day also, no problem. So, just send this message to me, okay, after writing amount spent for petrol, amount spent for clothing, amount spent for food and miscellaneous. So 4 columns you prepare, and the first column is just serial number 1, 2, 3 like that. Okay, that is day 1, day 2, day 3. And you may get doubts, sir, I did not go anywhere. That means I told you, time spent for TV, time spent for enjoyment, time spent for studies. Okay. Next, as I told you that the another question, other than car, suppose you have spent the traveling like for train or bus or what, instead of petrol, just write only amount spent for traveling by what? Plane. Amount spent for traveling by bus. Amount spent for traveling by train. So just only the thing is instead of petrol, means because car is different completely. So that's why, because car means maybe you have own car or rent, or I'm not insulting anyone, children. Just simply I'm telling you. Okay. So amount spent for petrol, amount spent for clothing, amount spent for food, miscellaneous. And some, because if you have your own car or friends or whatever it may be, that is completely different. But if you want to go travel very fast, that means like I want to reach my destination early, then you'll prefer plane. That means how much amount you spend for plane, amount spent for train tickets, amount spent for bus tickets, like that. Okay, so not only here bus tickets, amount spent for traveling, it is better, because other than car, if you write like that, it is better. Why? Because after you reach your destination, then again you have to go by auto, or you can go by Olo bus, Olo car, or you can book any other travelers. For that also you are spending, no? So that's why that completely traveling amount on the day 1 you have to write here. Okay, that's why right here amount spent on that day 1, amount spent on that day 1, amount spent on day 2, amount spent on day 3. Same, this is same, amount spent for clothing, amount spent for food, miscellaneous are same. Only the car is like this, and remaining amount spent for traveling. Say first day, amount spent for second day traveling, amount spent for third day traveling. If you did not go anywhere, this one. Okay, for 1 day also no problem if you write. Okay, so after finishing this all information, send to me, because just I can know that how far you have listened the class, that means how you understand and everything. Okay, and I am going to launch tomorrow the class. Okay, and don't think it at all negative, children. This is only the information. If you collect, I'll tell you one important topic there and what you have learned especially. Okay, so everything I am going to tell you tomorrow. Okay, have a nice day children. Okay.